Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber, I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green.
I had two videos in this one for you. So there's one of mine, one of Taylor's. This first one is mine. We've got a very, very dry wax you can see here. Instantly, you can see the suction's just not going to get rid of this. So we've gone straight in here with the Jobson horn.
Cornflakes.
Cornflakes. These are called, yeah, they're more like bran flakes, like these ones are. So it's on this way. It's a mixture of, this is a big, big piece of skin. And then we've got the solid kind of wax hanging on behind it as well. I've just tucked that piece out of the way, just in the bowl of the ear. And then we're going to get this next section.
It's like a fold, isn't it?
It is. It's all kind of concertinaed up in there, isn't it? It's like somebody scrunched some paper and put it into the ear. You can see it's a pretty dry piece. I can't even pick it up with the Jobson horn there, so I'm just going to just shove that out the way. They go in for the next bit.
Flick off it.
Yeah, just toss it out. But we can see, looking a bit further in now, we've got these sort of deeper pieces. There's this one little annoying flap of dry skin. Every time I go in there with the camera, I hit that bit of dry skin. So you can see I'm trying to pick it up.
20 minutes now, I'm trying to pick it up.
Yeah, I'm trying to fold it over the end of the Jobson horn. There we go, there's a couple of pieces there. So we'll just get rid of these bits out of the bowl. We could leave them there. It's just, you're more likely to knock one out and land on the patient, so you want to get rid of it. So much deeper, very dry section further in. Now, when you get dryness like this, it's usually because the patient's ear canal just is naturally drier. Some patients produce a lot less oil in the ear canal. There's that annoying flap look all the time. I thought I got rid of it, but it's still there. So I'm just going to take this little bit away because it's where the endoscope is resting all the time.
You're trying to get around it.
Yeah, I touched that one bit and the patient did flinch a little bit, so it's obviously a little bit uncomfortable down there. So I'm trying to approach things from a different angle. But if you take a look at the eardrum beyond, the eardrum looks very retracted, so very drawn into the space behind it. So a very reduced middle ear pressure. You can actually see the outline of some of the ossicles there as well if you look beyond. So I've put a little bit of oil in because the patient did find that bit a little bit uncomfortable to remove first time round. So the oil just helps it to detach a little bit.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. That's a super dry one.
It is really dry.
Really stuck to the ear canal as well, and that's a very sensitive area.
It is. I'm hoping we can just lift. We've got this kind of little ring section here. It almost looks like a horseshoe shape. So it was actually connected to this piece that was much further out. So I've got the Jobson horn on there, and Jobson crocodile forceps even, sorry.
We haven't woken up yet.
No, it's our last day in work today for the weekend anyway. So yeah, so that's where it's been a long week.
Always
long weeks, yeah, they never get short weeks anymore. Let's get this one out. There we go. Out that little bit of dry skin goes.
That's looking a lot better.
Look how retracted that is though. That is really retracted. Just that first chunk, that kind of cluster in the middle there, that's the first lot we took away. So we got 1.25 inches, I'm going to go with that one.
Yeah, I'd say just over 3 centimetres, 3.5 centimetres-ish. But this is mine. This is my patient now. Second one of the compilation.
Hey.
It's quite dark, kind of not quite as dry as Rhys's, but we've got this quite dark wax. And you can see the patient has tried to use a little bit of oil at some point. But it's pretty tough actually. It's still quite solid, so I don't think it's quite penetrated into the wax at this point. So we've got the standard size ulnar tube here, trying to lift and peel this off the ear canal. I think this is one of our regular patients. Again, if you're new to the channel, we always say I think because these are not ones that we've done today. These are patients we would have done possibly a week ago, but and I can't quite remember. So we normally get quite a lot of our regular patients coming through with similar issues every year, to be honest, which is common.
Awkward shape, isn't it?
Yeah. You can see just how crumbly it is. We got this one big piece, but it's because we're trying to squeeze it around this bend now. That's what I'm actually struggling to do here is to get a good grip. I think I probably would have been better off using a slightly different tool there, but it seems to be doing the job though.
Yeah, possibly. So I don't know. Saint Bart's not could have been too wide.
Yeah.
Oh, it's changed consistency slightly as well, in fairness to you. It's a little bit softer back there.
Yeah, I'm just trying to draw it forward slightly. Here we go. And then the bowl in the ear canal now, this is literally right on the outside of the ear. Just trying to get that last bit from the corner. I think I was more focused on looking at the jobs and holding it rather than the camera when I was picking it up, because I didn't want it to drop on the patient.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sorry, I've got a frog in my throat today.
Oh. So this is the last very deep. You never know what you're going to get with these pieces. They might come sweet as a nut, or they might just fight you every millimetre down this canal. Yeah,
so we've got to work really, really slowly here. And I'm hoping this is all going to come out in one go. That's what I'm hoping.
I don't want to see that jump there, but there isn't one there. Oh, yep.
Hey, we got it. We got it. There we are.
Sometimes they are bound, aren't they, to the inside of the recess in the eardrum.
And we got a very similar, maybe not quite as blocked up on this side. If I can remember again, this patient, they didn't think they had as much of an issue on one ear, and I think there's probably this one. So yeah, we're doing the same sort of technique, trying to give it a wiggle, trying to peel it, trying to bring it around that corner. I'm going to use the Jobson horn now that we've detached it off the ear canal, just to lightly draw it through.
Oh, nice. We just saw a sneaky bit further in though.
Yeah.
There it is. Oh, that's frustrating when you go with the fine end. There's one little tiny loose bit that leaps up onto the section and blocks the section straight away.
So I've got the fine end on here because I know it's quite a dry wax, and this one does, this bit does look a little bit softer. But we sometimes, with the thinner pieces, we do sometimes get a slightly better grip with the fine end, and we're also quite deep in the ear. So with the patient, still relatively hearing okay, you don't really want to risk going in there with the standard size tube if you don't need to. So there we go, nice and healthy. Yeah, good looking light reflex there. We got about 4 centimeters. I've put a little bit of a gap in the middle there,
just to make it look bigger.
Just round it up a
bit. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, there's another one. We thought there was only 2 in this one.
Oh, there's 3. There you go.
We don't know whose this is.
I'm gonna go. I'm not. Do you know what? Let's see if we can work this out.
I'm saying that's probably going to be me straight away, because I can already see I usually do that sometimes when I'm trying to hold the ear canal open.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to say, I don't know.
I think you might be right. Oh, I don't know.
You do that quite good though, didn't you?
Yeah, I think that's ringing a vague bell for that. If it just disappears out of the ear straight away, that's Taylor Green. If you hold it so you can see what the wax, that's usually me. I think this is
probably
me.
you.
I think this. I tell you what. I think this is me, and I think this is when I was in Cardiff, because the endoscopes always look slightly different. There's a bit more of an orangey tone to the Cardiff endoscope. Yes, that is me. I remember that bit. Yeah.
Yeah, we don't know why, to be honest, but the endoscope we got in Cardiff seems to be a little bit more blurry than the ones that we use in Ebbw.
They do, yeah, at the moment. Yeah, I don't know why. we send them off to be serviced quite regularly, actually, all of them. Perhaps we'll be in the market for maybe exploring another type of endoscope. So if you are an endoscope salesman?
That's an endoscope salesman.
If you watch the channel and you produce an endoscope, we would love to try it out, and see what it's like. We'd love to try a few, see what it looks like. Yeah, that would be great. So this was mine. So basically, the patient wasn't really having too much difficulty. I remember this patient kind of basically every time they lay on their ear, it was those 2 pieces of wax you could see I took off left and right were closing together. So they were waking up in the morning feeling a little bit blocked, and they were due to go on holiday. Ooh. If I remember, it was a really nice holiday as well. They were going all over Christmas. I didn't want them to feel blocked up, so we just removed the whole lot. So only a teeny tiny one, which was half an inch, bang on.
Yeah, just over 1.25 centimeters, I would say there.
Oh, well done. Yeah. Well, guys, thanks very much for watching the video again today. If you do enjoy the videos, don't forget you can like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe for me. That'd be absolutely fantastic. If you thoroughly enjoy the videos, you can also consider becoming members. That way, then you get even more videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays as well. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. Myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll see you again real soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.